Let me show you how to connect your phone to Xampp in this tutorial. Let's get started. Open Xampp and run it as admin. Go to config. Press Ctrl H, then replace all denied to granted. Okay, let's test it if it's working. Open command prompt. Then type ipconfig. To connect to Xampp, use this IP address. To your phone, open your browser. Then type your IP address. As you can see, it works. Okay, now, I am gonna try my website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so you won't miss my other videos.